everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys where I stay now when I stay in the city of New Orleans. This is a 4-story, 15-unit apartment building owned by one family. I know the family very well, I've met them, and it was their wish that I didn't disclose where the building was. So in order to honor their wishes and respect them, I'm not going to disclose the address of this building, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the inside of my unit. Just a reminder, this is Cray Cray the Crawfish from Louisiana. He shows up somewhere in all my New Orleans videos, so please help me find him. Be the first to spot Cray Cray in this video and leave a comment below with the timestamp you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video on this channel. The building itself is very old, but as you can see has been completely refurbished. The kitchen, living room, kitchenette, and bar make for great entertaining if you have guests over. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with an open-up sofa and a full kitchen, perfect for my needs. Security here is never an issue. There's a keypad all the way downstairs with an intercom and digital deadbolts on the doors inside. The owners make sure that the units are stocked with snacks and candy and coffee and pots and pans, plates, cooking utensils, anything you would possibly need you'll find in the unit. No need to go out and get something. There's a kitchen drawer filled with maps and guides of places to visit while you're in New Orleans, and I made it a point to make sure that I grab something on all the places that I visited to make sure I leave it in that drawer for future visitors. It's really not a home unless you have a martini glass filled with Hershey Kisses. This apartment's in a great location, but as I said in other videos, no matter where you stay in the French Quarter, everything is within walking distance. My only suggestion is if you're staying in an apartment or a hotel, do not stay on Bourbon Street, because it's very loud and the crowd is rowdy. But if that's your thing, then it's not an issue. This is a guest book that goes back a couple of years, and it makes really good reading during your morning coffee or in the evening during a glass of wine. I, of course, put my entry in and signed it Jeff from New York, so if you manage to find this place, you'll see my entry. Lots of personal entries of people who've stayed here before. It's kind of like a diary for the condo. Brand new washer and dryer, and washer and dryer is always great on vacation because you can pack less. And again, detergent, fabric softener, bleach, it's all located in the kitchen. Like I said, the building's very old, but it has a lot of modern touches like this intercom security system, as well as a Nest thermostat. I always thought Nest thermostats were kind of a waste of money, but boy did I get spoiled during my time here. I'm going to get one for my place back home. The bed and bedroom were very comfortable, and there's plenty of sheets and pillowcases in the closet if you need extras, but don't forget you also have that huge washer and dryer. It's also bright and airy in the bedroom, but there's one caveat, and it wasn't a caveat for me, but perhaps for you. Right outside these windows is the House of Blues, and there is music being played until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. It's not that loud because the building's well insulated. It's kind of like a radio in another room. It actually puts me to sleep, but if you need dead silence to fall asleep, this might not be the place for you. The bathroom is very modern, and it's stocked with toiletries, and between what's stocked here and what's in your suitcase, if you forgot anything, there's a Walgreens about 2 doors down. There's no maid service in this building, of course, but they did leave a ton of bedding and linens, so if you're staying a week, you always have fresh stuff, and if you run out, well again, there's always that washer and dryer. This is a great place to stay if you're staying in New Orleans, and some of the things I look for when I visit places in the U.S. is number one priority is safety and cleanliness, and this place certainly has that covered. And the second thing would be location, and again, no matter where you stay in the French Quarter, everything is within walking distance, so this place has that covered as well. Well, I'm going to head out to Bourbon Street, so please pray for me, and before I leave, I need to grab some beads because, well, you know. It's going to be a great evening, so don't forget to check out those Bourbon Street videos on this channel. Let the good times roll. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.